Hey guys, today we are going to be painting birdhouses. And so I'm making mine a big, like, summer vibe. Oh, also, what's your favorite fruit? Question of the day. And my favorite fruit is probably peaches. She likes apples.
Apple is my best fruit. Yeah.
And right now I'm painting a watermelon, which I'm gonna probably regret in a few years. JK.
I'm going to be painting two things. A bunny and a birdhouse.
Okay, I think this is good, Lily. I'm Lily! So,
I got paint on me here.
what should I do next?
Okay.
What should I paint next? Oh, I know! I'll paint a beach!
A peach?
A beach.
Oh. Get it?
So, I'm gonna get this color. It's coral.
My name is Coral, and I love coral. And corals are shells, and I don't know what corals are.
Oh. So this is gonna be the sand.
Shall we do a chair? Whoa, this is actually pretty cool.
And now, guess what I'm gonna be doing?
Whoa, that is a pretty color.
What?
This.
Oh, what?
This is how we do it.
So I'm not trying to do anything too fancy. Something.
No!
What's wrong? Alright, what's wrong? So guys, yeah. This is how mine is so far. Watermelon front. Beachy. No. I'm getting backyard vibes on the roof. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Beach. And now, without further ado, let's do the bottom. What should I make the bottom?
You. Wait, I know what to make it.
What?
You already did the beach and the watermelon.
I know! A backyard!
I was thinking, an ocean, but okay.
You know what? Yeah, I'll do an ocean.
A pool. A pool or an ocean, I was thinking. This is how I love painting tree houses. Yeah.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Oh, here we go.
This is how we do it. Now that you got the beat, stand up and stomp your feet. Now that you got the clap, stand up and sing a song. Now that you got the clap, stand up. Now. I lift my whole face.
So guys, how's your summer going?
Have you ever been... Question of the day. Oh wait, did we already do question?
Yeah, I think so.
Riddle of the day. What bow cannot be tied?
Don't say it. We need people to comment, okay?
See,
Don't fall for it. No, don't fall
we'll
for
see the
it.
comments in the next video.
How about that's joke of the day?
Yeah, that's a joke of the day.
'Cause it's more of a joke.
And the
than a riddle.
answer
No,
is...
don't say it. Actually, I'm getting C vibes from this.
Let me look at the comments. And now we're looking at the comments.
No, it's a... I'm actually getting C vibes from this, so I'm gonna make it the C instead.
I made the water purple.
Really?
Yeah. Well, dark purple. My poor paintbrush. Rest in peace. I'm gonna make the bunny like this. Best color ever.
So I haven't been posting in a while. It's because I've been on vacation. Vacay.
I know how to spell vacation.
Really?
V-A-I-C-A-N.
No. Vacation, Savannah?
It's spelled L-I-L-I.
No.
L-I-L-Y.
Savannah. Vacation
It's
is spelled
S-A-V-A-N-N-A-H.
No. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. Yeah.
That is one word. Let's
I'm
wash
gonna make
this
a
brush.
fish. I'm gonna
By the way, we're doing a 3 mile race.
mean. Okay, Savannah. Stop.
My brush is still cold.
So, let's see how mine turned out.
Mine is still not done.
Mine
See you
turned
in
out
the next
pretty good.
video. Just we're not leaving this video until I'm done. Put it away.
Okay.
Let's mix all the colors together. Wow, that's a pretty color. Look how pretty this color is. Look. If you've seen the movie Luca, say in the comments if you love it or not. I always cry at the end, but I'm okay now. I made like a velvet purple.
Really?
Yep. A violet purple, not a velvet.
You just said velvet.
I said violet.
Okay.
Like my pants.
Your pants are velvet.
Yeah. I'm wearing velvet pants. They're shorts, by the way.
This is actually taking longer than expected, Lily.
Okay, now I really need to wash this a lot.
Savannah?
What?
You do know the phrase "a little goes a long way," right? Okay, so I just finished mine.
And I did it. I still need to make the picture.
Wait, must add one more thing. Perfect.
And I don't have.
Now it's a summer vibe.
Lily, can I use this?
Yeah.
It's big.
Haven't you heard?
Haven't you heard? Haven't you held on little water hole? Lily, Mom would be mean. I'm gonna whisper in your ear. If I said, if you wear makeup, you don't have beauty. You don't wear makeup, you have natural beauty. That'll just be mean and a comment.
Huh. What else should I add?
Best thing ever. 'Cause I'm the best thing ever. This is how my mom dances, buddy. She does the leg, and then the leg, and then the kick, and then a backflip. Just kidding, she doesn't do that. I need to do the back and the bottom. Oh wait, I already did the bottom.
And I'm all done. Actually, no, I'm not.
Me neither. Can I use some of your colors?
Yeah, whatever. Knock yourself out.
Oh, your feet are so warm. I don't know why though.
All done, everybody. This is my finished results.
How do you like the back one and the front one?
I'll see you tomorrow.
No, I'm not done.
Bye. We'll see you next time. Bye.